waterfalls. So yeah, should be good. It's early in the morning. The current time is
timestamp
8:28 a.m. and yeah, it's early. We're up and at 'em.
Dima, where we at?
I have no clue. Out here in the sticks. Taking a quick break.
Quick pit stop.
Back out on a mission.
I have a secret picture of everyone sleeping in the van. Oh, it looks so nice.
Yeah, that's a bit better.
I'm sorry, yeah, my name is Secret.
So where are we at?
I don't even know, it's a random thing. Yeah, man.
Yeah. We're finally here at Ouzoud. We're checking out the waterfall here. Line ain't good down here, but yeah. We are on our way. Let me check my camera. My phone. Aww. Yay.
We're gonna find a lot of people selling the peanuts or some for the monkeys. So when you take a peanut, they ask you for a lot of money. The monkeys here, it's for free. If you like check it, if you wanna take a picture, it's for free. Monkeys here, you're white, huh?
Very hot. I feel fly on my back. As you know.
Hello. You prick.
Sometimes like in winter time, you're gonna find the water brown, the color will change it because it was raining many times. You are in the middle Atlas mountain between the south of Morocco and the north of Morocco. You are Azilal province. The Azilal city is not far from here. It's like 30 kilometers, 25 kilometers from here to Azilal. Not like Marrakesh. Marrakesh is very tough. Yeah, cold.
This is bartending, guys.
Look, guys, it's not a whiskey. It's only
Me too. Hold on. Me
Oh,
too.
yeah, send me that video.
2, 1.
Hey, God. No, higher.
Yeah, really? Up.
Higher,
So this is the argan seeds, the same one that I have over here. This is the natural one for extract the cosmetic argan oil. The oil that we mix with some other medicine and herb or some other oils to extract the cosmetic product, like some serums for stop losing hair, oil for growing hair and for growing beard, creams and serums for face, for DTH, for brown. To work with us. We have this one for hair growth, for growing hair. Ooh. If you want to make your hair long, strong, soft, or if you're suffering from the dandruff. You know what does mean dandruff? Good. For example, if you had using some chemic product for your hair, or like the conditioner make it dry, you can use this one every day after shower. This one, you don't need to wash it. Just leave it in your hair. It's going to make it long, strong, soft, and it's got a moisturizer.
We're going through the wilderness right now. Guys, be careful, please. This is dirt trail.
Oh, there's literally one right there.
Yeah, one posted right here. I hope they don't. I hope they.
Hey, sorry. I got scared.
Guys, why was euro?
This is like.
Oh, he's in a little bag.
It's like his family to you, man. It's like he knows you or something, bro.
Go on, Secret.
Hey, where is this hand over here?
Smile, quickly.
No, he knows you. That's why. He's seen you before.
Love.
Oh, this is so cute.
You chased him off, don't worry.
That was good.
This one looks well acquainted with you.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah, I feel like a proper tourist right now. I feel like a proper tourist right
I
now.
got a video of you. Send to my mommy.
Yeah, send me picture.
Yeah, you're playing with your cousins. Good job, guys.
Bye. Now I'm playing with your brother.
Bro, that's why I was touching up. Don't worry. Yep. Here we have a natural jiddler. Nana already put on his head cap.
Oh no, it's not.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a burger. Okay.
Yeah. Wendy, bro. Wendy.
Wendy's actually not singing. Look at her.
Bye. Close your legs.
See something you don't want to see.
Nice. Can you feel the breeze? Look, Drusilla even stood up to take a picture. Yeah, he's got
Boss, I'll jump you.
No, if you will be my lover, let me know. Yes, no, yes. If you be my lover.
Who's up there?
Come on. Would you be my lover? Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Would you be my lover? No. Yes. No. Would you be my lover? Be my lover. Nobody else can be my lover.
Hi guys, it's currently 9:45. We're having some dinner. And yeah, it's Chid's it's Chid's birthday in
What's the time?
2 hours.
25?
Yeah. She said, yeah, I can't wait. Like, you know.
Hi guys. I'm really hungry.
And I can't believe I heard. Now you heard me, I can't lie. I thought it was next. But anyway, it's Chidema's birthday in like less than 3 hours. Chidema. So it's not the same. Anyway, shout out Chidema. Big 25. I don't flip in time, bro. It's flipping 20. It's July. Like we've literally gone through the whole school year. Niggas are on flipping summer holidays and you're about to 25. But anyway, shout out to you, man. Big 25 and that, more life than that. Keep correcting it. Use your brain.
Someone's calling her. Someone's calling her.
And then Nick is gonna finish it.
Someone's calling her.
Okay.
No. Someone's calling her. Someone's calling her. Wait. Someone is calling her.
Forget that person.
Your next lunch for the villa is free. That's it.
How about me?
Just
all that effort for what?
Oh, sorry.
But I was right though.